Hi everyone, let's continue to learn French greetings. Here I am going to teach you how to say goodbye in different ways. So let's start with the first one. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir is often used like you describe. Speaking distinctly, there should be au revoir. Au revoir. As you know, our sound is very different from English. The correct pronunciation is au revoir, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. I have been taught by native French tutor to always pronounce word distinctly. This is the most commonly used phrase to say goodbye is au revoir, au revoir. It's used when you leave someone that you might probably see again. Okay, the next word is bonne nuit. How do you say good night in French? And most important, how do you pronounce the translation of it? Translate into two words. Good, which translate into bonne, and night, which translate into nuit. What would you say? You would say bonne nuit. Okay? The T at the end of word nuit is definitely silent. So don't say bonne nuit. It's not nuit. It's nuit. Bonne nuit. When you go to bed, you will use the word in French is bonne nuit. Okay? Come to the next one. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Jour means day. Journée means day as well. In the first video, we have discussed about bonjour. Bonjour is the standard way to say hello or good day, good morning. And bonne journée is usually translated as have a good day, have a nice day. Okay, next one is bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Here is also same distinguish can be applied to bonsoir and bonne soirée. We use bonsoir when we arrive at the store in the evening, and then we use bonne soirée when we leave the same store. When you leave the store, you will say bonne soirée, and when you arrive at the same store, what will you say? You will say bonsoir. Okay? The difference is pretty subtle, and words are often interchangeable. The main thing you must remember is that bonsoir is good evening and bonne soirée, have a nice evening. Okay? You would tend to say bonjour, bonsoir when greeting someone, and bonne journée, bonne soirée when leaving them. Okay? So come to the next one. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure indicates a short period of time, whether in the recent past or in a near future. Means you can say see you later, as in I will see you today again, shortly, and not maybe tomorrow. À tout à l'heure, see you later, shortly in the same day. Okay. The parting expression and its informal variation is active, means see you soon. The vowel sounds in the final syllable is the only difference in pronunciation. Er, er, tout à l'heure. In French, the word Is pronounced. How will you pronounce? H is mute here. H is not pronounced. And the last letter E is also not pronounced. E is also mute. The mouth is opened and the tongue touches the lower teeth. At you tell that is see you later. Okay, come to the next one. Abianto. You will be meeting someone again soon, so you would say abianto, see you soon. Here you can see an accent. An accent mark may change the sound of letter, and here is no perceivable effect at all. Accents are used only on vowels and under the letter C. Okay, so we will discuss this later. Now come to the word abianto. Can you pronounce abianto? See you soon. Another way of saying goodbye, it would be abianto. See you soon. Okay, so next, adima. Adima is used if you will be going to meet the person the following day. Adima. See you tomorrow. Okay? Why don't you repeat all these words after me? Can you? First one is au revoir. Goodbye. Second one is bonne nuit. It's good night. Third one, bonne journée. Have a nice day. Fourth one, bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Fifth, à tout à l'heure. See you later. Sixth one, à bientôt. See you soon. The last but not the least, adima. It's see you tomorrow. Okay? Watch again and again these videos to get used to the greeting. Okay? That's it for me. But here are some questions for you. How would you greet your teachers? Salut, bonjour, au revoir. The second question, how would you greet your friends? Salut, bonjour, au revoir. And the third one, when you go to someone's house at night, what will you say? Bonne nuit, bonsoir, au revoir. Fourth question, what would you say to an older person? Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va? Ça va. The last question, while leaving someone, you would say bienvenue, bonsoir, au revoir. Okay, comment all these questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. To learn more French and phrases, click on the link given in the description box. Au revoir.